Got a sweet tooth? You are in the right place. Today we are making three easy and irresistible dessert recipes that will satisfy your cravings in no time. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you are baking through or just getting started, these desserts are simple, delicious, and perfect for any occasion. So grab your ingredients and let's get baking.
French crepes. French crepes are thin, delicate pancakes from France. They can be sweet or savory, but this recipe focuses on the street version. You can fill them with chocolate, jam, fruits, or even whipped cream. They are easy to make with simple ingredients. Some ingredients you need: 1 cup all purpose flour, 1 cup milk, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon melted butter, half teaspoon vanilla extract optional, a pinch of salt, butter or oil for cooking. Method for cooking: prepare the butter in a mixing bowl, add the flour, sugar and salt. Stir well. In another bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, melted butter and vanilla extract. Slowly add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients. Stir until smooth. If lumps form, strain the butter. Let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes for a better texture. Heat the pan. Use a non-stick pan or crepe pan. Place it over medium heat and add a small amount of butter or oil. Cook the crepes for about 1/4 cup of batter into the pan. Quickly tilt the pan to spread the batter evenly into a thin layer. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the eggs turn light brown. Flip carefully and cook for another 1 minute. Serve and enjoy. Transfer the crepe to a plate. Add your favorite filling like Nutella, strawberries, bananas, or whipped cream. Fold or roll the crepe and enjoy. Crepes are perfect for breakfast, snacks, or dessert. You can also store extra butter in the fridge for later use. Italian tiramisu. Tiramisu is a classic Italian dessert made with coffee-soaked ladyfinger biscuits and a creamy mascarpone cheese mixture. It is soft, rich, and has a delicious coffee flavor. If you want to make it, you need some ingredients: 1 cup strong coffee or espresso cold, 12 ladyfingers biscuits, 1 cup mascarpone cheese, 2 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon vanilla extract, half cup heavy cream optional, a tablespoon cocoa powder for dusting. There is a method how to make Italian tiramisu. Prepare the coffee. Brew a cup of strong coffee and or espresso and let it cool if you like. Add a little sugar to sweeten it. Make the mascarpone cream in a bowl. Mix a mascarpone, cheese, sugar and vanilla extract. Whip until smooth for a lighter texture. Whip the heavy cream separately and fold it into the mascarpone mixture. Layer the dessert. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the coffee for 1 to 2 seconds. Arrange a layer of dipped ladyfingers in the dish. Spread half of the mascarpone mixture on top. Repeat and chill. Add another layer of soaked ladyfingers and top with the remaining mascarpone cream. Smooth the surface with a spatula. Add cocoa powder. Use a fine sieve to dust cocoa powder over the top. This adds a rich chocolatey flavor. Refrigerate. Cover it. Chill the tiramisu in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Serve chilled and enjoy this delicious Italian dessert. How to make Indian mango lassi. Mango lassi is a refreshing Indian drink made with mangoes, yogurt and milk. It is sweet, creamy and perfect for hot weather. If you want to make it, you should need some ingredients. For example, 1 cup ripe mango pulp, fresh or canned, half cup yogurt, half cup milk, 1 tablespoon honey or sugar, adjust the taste, half teaspoon cardamom powder, optional for extra flavor, a few ice cubes, optional, chopped pistachios or almonds for garnish. There is a method how to make Indian mango lassi. Number 1, prepare the mango. If using fresh mangoes, peel and chop them into pieces. Blend the mango pieces to make it smooth foodie. If using canned mango pulp, measure 1 cup. Number 2, blend the ingredients in a blender. Add mango, puree, yogurt, milk and honey or sugar. Blend until smooth and creamy. If you like a chilled drink, add ice cubes before blending. Add extra flavor. For a traditional touch, add a pinch or cardamom powder. This gives you fragrant and slightly spicy taste. Serve and enjoy. Pour the mango lassi into glasses. Garnish with chopped pistachios or almonds for a crunchy texture. Serve immediately. Mango lassi is a great drink for summer and pairs well with Indian meals. You can also try different variations by adding saffron or rose water for a unique twist.